between Justin Bieber posing with beers and monkeys and Paulina Gretzky just being Paulina Gretzky, Instagram is great. But have you ever wondered which fictional characters would be the best on Instagram? Hey guys, I'm Patrick Jones for Buzz60. Like Buddy the Elf. His foodgram selfies would make you sick, but the unbridled joy of seeing Santa around Christmas time would jolt even the biggest Scrooge into the Christmas spirit. Personally, I'd like to see Chewbacca. Guy's a play Wookiee. It'd just be pics of him exploring different worlds and getting into trouble at Moise Eisley cantina bars. And how could I leave Donkey from Shrek off this list? The combination of wit and a fairy tale world would make him a must follow. The most awkward would be the narrator, Edward Norton's character from Fight Club. Because if you've seen the movie, you know he'd just be calling himself Tyler and beating himself up. What character would have the worst Instagram? Easy, Golem. He'd post more pictures of a ring than an engaged Kardashian. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.